Most traders don't fail because they don't have rules. They fail because they can't follow them. And if you've ever told yourself, next trade I'll stick to my plan, and then didn't, you know exactly what I mean. The frustrating part is you already know what to do. Cut losses. Don't overtrade. Stick to your setup. It's not like this is new information. So why does it keep happening? It's not a discipline problem. It's a pressure problem. When you're trading too big, everything changes. A small loss feels big. A normal pullback feels threatening. And suddenly, your rules don't feel so easy to follow anymore. You take a trade. It goes a little against you. Now you're watching every tick. You know where your stop is, but you hesitate. You tell yourself, it'll come back. So you move the stop or remove it completely. Now the loss gets bigger. Stress kicks in. And the next thing you know, you're either closing too late or jumping into another trade trying to make it back. That's the cycle. And it has nothing to do with your strategy. You can have a solid setup, a proven system, even a good win rate, and still lose money because you can't execute under pressure. So what's the fix? It's not more rules. It's not a new strategy. It's lowering the pressure so you can actually follow what you already know. That usually means trading smaller than you think you should. Smaller size equals less emotional reaction. Less emotion equals better decisions. Better decisions equals consistency. It sounds simple, but most traders skip this step because they're focused on making money right now, instead of building the ability to execute properly. This is something I struggled with for a long time, doing the same thing over and over, breaking my own rules, resetting, starting again. Eventually I realized I didn't need more knowledge. I needed a simple way to actually follow through. So I built a basic framework around that idea, keeping things small, controlled, and repeatable. If you're stuck in that reset cycle, I put it into a short guide you can check out. Because at the end of the day, knowing the rules isn't what matters. Following them is. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your trading.